recording mode, right? So the new chapter of history, that is, you can say that this is somehow related to our geography, that is scientific forestry or forest society and colonialization. Colonialization means that during the colonial period, during the British period, something that was discussed regarding the forest life, and that is known as forest society. Regarding forest, you know that in India, what was the condition and what is the condition right now, that we can say Prakriti Sakshena, that you can mute your mic, Prakriti Sakshena.
Your voice is not clear.
So Mukesh Dagar, you are having your problem because rest all the students except you and one more student, that was, I don't know, uh, so Prashant, I think Prashant Yadav. So that you can move here and there, then you can solve this problem. Otherwise, rest all the students, they are getting my voice almost clear. Well, so I was talking about the new chapter, that is forest society, and that society that was made during colonial period. So you must know that what is colonial period and what do you understand by the colony. So colony, a powerful country is ruling or that controlling a weak country. That weak country is known as colony. Okay, so India that was made colony by the Britishers. So that was the period when the India became the colony for British period or Britishers. That period was known as colonial period. So in that particular period only these activities happened that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So we know that everywhere in our local society or in our locality, we can see and identify different things which are coming from different forest. Whatever the things we are seeing, like the paper on which this book is printed, that is also coming from the forest. Whatever the things like desk and tables, your bed, your windows, whatever the color your clothes are having, that means dyeing of the clothes, that is also coming from different trees. Then spices also from different type of trees we are getting. Then even whatever the wrappers that we are having in different type of commodities, that is also we are getting from
Sir,
different
your voice
forests.
is not clear.
So Mukesh Dagar, someone sent some message to Mukesh Dagar. You tell him that this is your problem, not that my problem. In between he is disturbing. So उसको बोलो कि इधर उधर करके कोई इसका फ्रेंड है, मुकेश डागर का कोई फ्रेंड है, तो उसको एक एसएमएस कर दो या फिर उसके व्हाट्सएप मैसेज भेज दो उसको. So whatever the things, the like even BDs, BD that people are just using, that is also coming from तेंदू लीफ. एक तेंदू नाम का पेड़ होता है, उसके पत्तों से बनती है. देन हनी, गम, कॉफी, टी, रबर, these things are we are getting from different type of trees, and you know that trees are from different type of forest. So so many other things also we can say that we are getting from the trees. Whatever the things like you can say oil in the chocolates. In chocolates, what you are eating, that some edible oil that is used in that chocolate. So that is also coming from again that trees only, and that is mostly coming from साल ट्री. एक साल ट्री होता है, उसके बीज से ये ऑयल निकाला जाता है, that is used in your chocolates. So that can be asked in a question. One mark question that can be asked, the oil which is used in chocolates that we are extracting from which tree? So that is from साल tree. एक साल नाम का ट्री होता है, उसके बीज से ये एक ऑयल निकाला जाता है that we are using in chocolates. Then so many herbs and even roots are used for medicinal purpose. बहुत से ऐसे हर्ब्स होती हैं या फिर कुछ रूट्स होती हैं दैट पीपल आर यूजिंग फॉर मेडिसिनल पर्पज. बहुत सी मेडिसिन बनाई जाती हैं. एंड सम टेनिन, एक टेनिन एक पेड़ से उसका टेनिन निकाला जाता है, सैप, दैट मोस्टली पीपल आर यूजिंग टू कन्वर्ट स्किन इनटू हाइड्स एंड स्किन एंड हाइड्स इनटू लेदर. यस, जो स्किन होती है उस स्किन के ऊपर एक टेनिन नाम का सैप यूज किया जाता है जो उसको लेदर में उसको सॉफ्ट बना देता है. सो दैट टेनिन इज ऑल्सो एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द ट्री. तो कहने का मतलब ये जो एक एक नंबर के क्वेश्चन है, दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड इन दिस वे कि पर्टिकुलर जो आइटम है दैट इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम विच ट्री. जैसे चॉकलेट वाला जो ऑयल होता है, वी आर जस्ट एक्सट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम साल्ट सीड. एंड टेनिन जो होता है, जो कि स्किन एंड जो हाइड्स होती हैं, जो स्किन होती है उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं हम लेदर के अंदर. सो द टेनिन इज यूज्ड विच इज जस्ट एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ट्रीज ओनली. देन if we can say that so many other things like even fuel, the wood for fuel, then grass also we are getting from different type of trees. Then charcoal, what we are using in making the road, in this also some sap is used that is extracted from trees only. Then fruits, flowers, and even animals, birds, these things we are getting from forest only. So कहने का मतलब all together we should know that what are the different uses of forest. Forest के uses इतने ज़्यादा हैं, but still people are cutting the trees indiscriminately. That is the basis or basic idea what we are going to discuss. These many you can say advantages are there we are getting from trees, but still lot of trees were cut down since ancient period. तो पुराना जमाना है तब से ये पेड़ काटे गए हैं, and even that was continued in colonial period also. Then what happened? You know that in Amazon forest and even in Western Ghat in India, Amazon forest and even Western Ghat in India, lot of trees, rather lot of species of trees, more than 500 that are available in Western Ghat and even Amazon forest. Then as per the data given in this book, that between 1700 to 1995, these diversities of forest, these were started disappearing very fast. Between 1700 to 1995, that was mostly, we can say maximum that time was under colonial period. So that variety of forest that start disappearing, means काफी कम होने लगे थे. And again data is given that 13.9 million square kilometer, and that is constituting some 9.3% of the total area of the world, that means disappeared during that particular period. टोटल जो एरिया है दैट इज 13.9 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, एंड उसका जो परसेंटेज है दैट इज 9.3. दैट इज पैट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दैट ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप. एक नंबर का पैट क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ फॉरेस्ट दैट वाज कवर्ड, दैट वाज डिसअपियर्ड और दैट वाज कट बिटवीन 1700 to 1995. So what was the reason? That is again very important question कि why or how these many this much area that was cut down by, let it be anyone, लेकिन that was, you can say that was disappeared during that particular period. So what were the major reasons for that? So this is a very important question, that is of 5 marks, that what were the reasons of deforestation during that particular period. So it is asked, this question is being asked, that why deforestation. So first we should know that what is deforestation, and that is so easy question about the deforestation. So खुशी, सिंपल खुशी, एक खुशी यादव है और एक खुशी है, आई थिंक दोनों है कि नहीं. यस खुशी, यू टेल मी व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट डिफोरेस्टेशन, मीन्स यू कैन डिफाइन. यस.
Cutting of trees and forests are known as deforestation.
Okay, one word, one another word you can use in this, you are correct, no doubt, but cutting down of trees in a large scale, बड़ी मात्रा में बहुत ज़्यादा पेड़ काटने को बोलते हैं डिफोरेस्टेशन. अब ऐसे नहीं कि एक दो पेड़ काट दिए उसको भी हम डिफोरेस्टेशन बोलेंगे. दैट मीन्स कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज इन ए लार्ज स्केल, दैट इज नोन एज डिफोरेस्टेशन. Okay, so this is the definition you should know, and even the process, that is not new. Deforestation, that we cannot say it is a new, or that was not in the modern, you can say, period itself. That you can say that was experienced, or that was practiced since ancient period. You know that people were taking the different type of items from forest, and for many purposes they were cutting different type of trees for their own purpose, and even some people were using, or for some people were cutting the trees for commercial purpose also. So this is not a recent problem, that is deforestation, that was practiced since ancient period. Yes, Tejas Gujar, I want that screenshot of our class also, because some students are just they are leaving the class. That particular name I want, why they are leaving, and they should tell me the reason. What is the reason? Once they have joined means there should not be any problem of network, but in between you know that कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो परमानेंटली आते हैं और लास्ट तक रुकते हैं, तो वो कैसे रुक जाते हैं. एंड इवन समटाइम्स आई फील दैट देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम, बट आई नेवर फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम. तो कुछ बच्चे ये जानबूझ के करते हैं, दैट दैट प्रॉब्लम आई वांट टू सॉल्व इट. ओके, सो व्हाई डिफोरेस्टेशन. So during the colonial period, this happened in a systematic way, no doubt, and in a extensive, you can say, manner. Extensive means ये ज़्यादा मात्रा में काटे गए थे, and even in a systematic way. पहले in ancient time, in ancient period, mostly people they were cutting the trees for their own purpose. There was no system. जिसको जितनी ज़रूरत होती थी वो काटते थे. But during the colonial period, they have set one system to cut the different type of trees, and that was no doubt in intensive manner. तो ज़्यादा मात्रा में क्यों पेड़ काटे गए थे? That is again very important question. First one is, you know that in 1600 approximately 1/6 of the India's part, 1/6 part that was covered under the cultivation. Up to 1600 we can say that. So 1/6 part of that area was covered under the cultivation, and now the figure has changed. And that was almost half. It has become half. पहले 1/6 था under the cultivation, then it has become almost half. आधा हिस्सा जो इंडिया का टोटल एरिया है उसका किससे कवर्ड था? कल्टीवेशन से. then again question arises that what is the area of our country? हमारे कंट्री का एरिया कितना है? that we must know, because we have covered under that one of the chapter, that area of our country. Yes, Surbhi, you tell me what is the area of our country. पहला जो चैप्टर है उसमें हमने पढ़ा है, ज्योग्राफी का पहला चैप्टर.
Yes, sir.
What is the area of our country? Anyone?
Sir, area is 3.28 million square kilometer.
Very good, very good. That is 3.28 million square kilometer, and that percentage is 2.4. This is bad question of objective question. This is very important question, rather I should say. Okay, so ये जो cultivation का area था, what I said, ये पहले up to 1600 it was 1/6. Now in modern period we can say it has become half. तो total area का half हो गया. Then what is the again reason? That is the main reason was that is there was a increase in population. You know that when population increases, that we can say different demands are increased. जब population increase होगी तो demand भी increase होगी, तो naturally for them lot of things are required. उसमें खाने पीने का food grains भी है. So that is the main reason. उनको रहने के लिए भी जगह चाहिए, इसलिए जो cultivation का area था that has increased to half of the total area. Then another thing that other than food also lot of requirements are there, but still we can say that for cultivation that has increased to half of the total area. But again during the colonial period that cultivation area that was rapidly increased. जब ये ब्रिटिशर्स आ गए थे that time that cultivation area that was increased rapidly. बहुत तेजी से ये जो एरिया था कल्टीवेशन का ये बढ़ा था, क्योंकि उनके आने से पहले ये था 1/6 और उसके बाद उसको कितना ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया गया था, उसके कुछ रीजन्स बताए गए हैं. सो देयर आर सम 3 to 4 reasons, very important reasons that you should listen very carefully. So first reason that Britishers after their arrival they have increased the production of some commercial crops. जब ब्रिटिशर्स आ गए थे यहाँ तो उन्होंने इंडिया के अंदर उन्होंने क्या किया, they have encouraged the people to you can say cultivate commercial crops. Again the question arises that what are the commercial crops? Commercial crops ऐसी crops होती हैं एनी टाइम, जिनको हम कैश क्रॉप्स भी बोलते हैं. एनी टाइम वी कैन गो इन मार्केट एंड सेल देम एनी टाइम. बाकी का कुछ ऐसा होता है कि पर्टिकुलर सीजन में बिकती हैं, लेकिन कुछ क्रॉप्स होती हैं वो कहीं पर भी, नॉट ओनली इन मार्केट, एनी वेयर वी कैन सेल इट दैट कमर्शियल क्रॉप्स. इसमें कौन कौन सी क्रॉप्स होती हैं that can be asked in the example of commercial crops. So that is jute, wheat, sugar, cotton. So these are the best example of commercial crops: cotton, sugarcane, then jute and wheat. ये जो क्रॉप्स हैं ये कॉमर्शियल क्रॉप्स के नाम से जानी जाती हैं, और ये सारी क्रॉप्स को इन्होंने encourage किया that they should people of our country that they should grow these type of crops. Why? That is again reason, not for our people. ब्रिटिशर्स ने कभी भी ये नहीं चाहा था कि ये सारी क्रॉप्स हमारे लोगों के लिए उन्होंने सोचा था कि प्रोड्यूस करे, बट these type of crops were in great demand in the world market. And you know that Britishers they have come for trading only. वो शुरू में बिजनेस करने के लिए आए थे. सो उन्होंने क्या किया,
Sir, your microphone is muted.
they have
Sir, you muted yourself.
they have encouraged the people to grow lot of commercial crops like again wheat, sugarcane, jute and cotton. So mostly in 19th century, these crops were in great demand, and the Britishers they have traded and they have even exported from India these type of crops, and they have earned a lot of money. So that was the first reason why the cultivation area, or you should know that why deforestation occurred during colonial period. See, अगर cultivation area को increase किया जाएगा तो naturally forest that will be cleared, पेड़ काटे जाएंगे, then only we can cultivate in that land. Otherwise we cannot, because mostly it is happening that in forested area we cannot cultivate, जैसे हम उसको clear करेंगे then only. So for that first reason, for you can say growing commercial crops, that lot of trees were cut down at that time. And you know that some items, some you can say that cotton and sugarcane, jute, these were the raw material for different industries also. And you know that in 19th century, even in 18th century itself, industrialization that happened in British or Britishers areas, that is in ब्रिटेन. तो ब्रिटेन में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हो गया था, उनका रॉ मटेरियल भी इंडिया से जाता था, इसलिए ये बहुत से आइटम थे जो उनको वहाँ रॉ मटेरियल के रूप में भेजने पड़ते थे in their own country. Then second reason why the deforestation occurred during colonial period, that was the during the colonial period, Britishers, they, what they have given or justification they have given, that forest area is unproductive. वो क्या मानते थे कि फॉरेस्ट में जो भी मिलता है हमें, अगर उनको क्लियर करके हम क्रॉप्स उगाएं या कुछ और काम करें, so that will be more beneficial. तो ये क्या बोलते थे, the forest area that is unproductive, and for that reason what they have started, that people of our country, they should grow more and more crops. What will happen in that, कि अगर वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्रॉप्स उगाएंगे, देन दे विल अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, रेवेन्यू ज़्यादा आएगी, पैसा ज़्यादा आएगा, और उसकी वजह से उनकी इनकम बढ़ेगी. एंड दैट इज ओनली द पर्पज ऑफ, एंड दैट वाज द ओनली पर्पज ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स, कि जितना ज़्यादा पैसा कमाया जाए इंडिया से, वो उनको उसके लिए वो उसी पर्पज के लिए आए भी थे. दैट मीन्स, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, सेकेंड रीजन में क्या बताया कि दैट फॉरेस्ट दैट इज अनप्रोडक्टिव, or we can say that they told that the forest that is not so productive, वो इतना ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव नहीं है जिससे हम उसमें उनको बचा के रखें. उसको अगर हम क्लियर करके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फसल उगाएं, so that can increase our revenue, और हम अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैसा कमाएंगे तो हम प्रॉस्पर बनेंगे, और वही उनका पर्पस भी था, वही उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव भी था. So it is given that between 1880 to 1920, 6.7 million hectare that land was converted into cultivable land. जो फॉरेस्ट लाइफ थी, फॉरेस्ट एरिया जो था, उसको, उस एरिया को, that is 6.7 million हेक्टेयर, that is हेक्टेयर, उस लैंड को, जो फॉरेस्ट्री लैंड थी, दैट वाज कन्वर्टेड इनटू कल्टीवेबल लैंड बिटवीन 1880 टू 1920. दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम इट इज गिवन एज ए एग्जांपल, और बाकी के टाइम पे क्या था, दैट इज डिफरेंट थिंग. लेकिन ये डेटा इसमें दिया गया कि कितनी जमीन को.
So you are muted.
फॉरेस्ट एरिया, फॉरेस्टेड एरिया को उन्होंने कल्टीवेबल लैंड में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था. देन अनदर रीजन that is, you know that British people, what for they have come in India initially, that was the main reason, that for trading purpose. But during that period when they were in India, during that period, or you can say in early 19th century, one oak tree, OAK, oak tree, you must have heard about this tree, oak tree, that you can say type of forest that started disappearing in England. Oak tree, जिससे वो क्या करते थे, they were making different type of ships for Royal Navy in Britain. ब्रिटेन की नेवी को रॉयल नेवी बोला जाता था, और अभी भी दैट इज नोन एज रॉयल नेवी. सो इन दैट दे वर मेकिंग डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ शिप्स विद दैट वुड ऑफ ओक ट्री. उस ओक ट्री की क्वालिटी क्या थी, दैट वाज क्वाइट लाइट, हार्ड एंड इवन ड्यूरेबल. ये पर्टिकुलर ओक जो ट्री थी, उसी की शिप्स बनाते थे, एंड दैट स्टार्ट डिसअपियरिंग इन England during the early 19th century. Then what they have thought, that these type of oak trees, if these oak trees are available in India, then that oak tree can be made useful for making different type of ships in Royal Navy in England. So what they have done, they have sent one expedition, means one, you can say one committee they have made, and they have sent to India to find out whether oak trees are available in India or not. And when they arrived in India, they found that lot of oak trees are available. So for that purpose also they have cut down lot of trees, lot of oak trees, and then the wood that was exported to Britain for making ships in Royal Navy. So that was the another reason why deforestation that occurred in colonial period. So that was in 19th century. It is given then in 1820s. 1820s का जो period था, उस time पे lot of oak trees were cut down for you can say making the ships in Royal Navy in England. So ये भी एक बड़ा important reason है कि why these many trees were cut down during British period.
Sir, do we have to rejoin?
Okay, time is falling short. क्या time हो गया? Hardly 5 minutes. Okay, इस टॉपिक को why deforestation that occurred, इसको दो पॉइंट और हैं, उनको हम कवर कर लेंगे. So let me finish one point. इसमें एक पॉइंट खत्म हो जाएगा. Still 2 minutes are left. Then we will think about rejoin. Okay. So उसके बाद what happened? There was a spread of railway system in India during 1850s, and that was a need of British only. Britishers की ही need थी कि that they require railway system in India for sending their troops from one place to another place, and even for you can say different another purpose. उनको जो आइटम जो थे बिजनेस करने के लिए, जो आइटम इधर से उधर करने पड़ते थे, फॉर दैट पर्पज, एंड इवन फॉर द मूवमेंट ऑफ देयर ट्रूप्स, वो अपनी सेनाओं को भेजते थे एक एरिया से दूसरे एरिया के लिए. फॉर दैट दे रिक्वायर रेलवे सिस्टम इन इंडिया. सो ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड देयर वाज ए स्प्रेड ऑफ रेलवे सिस्टम. अब रेलवे सिस्टम के लिए लकड़ी की क्या जरूरत पड़ती है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. you know that in earlier, or in you can say initial time railway system that was requiring a lot of wood, that is for locomotives. Locomotives क्या होते हैं? रेलवे इंजन्स को locomotives बोलते हैं. तो I think the time is falling short, and we will cover tomorrow, not even today, क्योंकि ज़्यादा टाइम बचा नहीं है. उसमें rejoining में टाइम लग जाएगा, and hardly we will get 3 to 4 minutes only. So rest all we will cover in the next class. To rejoin. Okay. Okay, then bye for the day. Thank you for joining. We will see tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. God bless you.